So hello everyone. So this video is about the dual coin rebalancing bot which Binance has just launched. So right now it is not available on the web version. It is only available on the app. So this video is just to show how it works and if it is useful to us at all. Uh, so so this is the bot I started yesterday. Uh, so if as you can see, it has been running since one day, and I'll just show you quickly how to create this bot. So it is available here in the create bot, and you just choose any two coins. The most popular choice would be Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they are the two most favorite assets in the cryptocurrency. So you can choose any two coins and assign a USDT value from your account. So minimum USDT value required is $200 right now. You just select what amount you need and simply create the bot. What the bot I have created is Bitcoin USDC, because as you can see right now we are very low in Bitcoin dominance. We are at 41, so also very prone. So right now I don't want to be holding coins, and I want to be in Bitcoin and USDT, because if Bitcoin dumps further or pumps harder, the alts are very prone to it, and I don't want that part of assets in that those kind of assets in my portfolio right now. So right now what I want to do is hold half of my portfolio in stable coins and half of my portfolio in Bitcoin. So exactly what this bot will do. Yeah. So I started just to test it out. I started it with 382 382 USDC and 382 USDT. So it has made 3 transactions until now. If you see the details, when I started the bot, it had 191 USDC and 4997 sats of BTC. It made 3 transactions. So what it does is every 5 minutes it checks the portfolio proportion, and if any of the assets are higher in USDT value, it will sell that asset to a depreciated asset, and it will keep on doing that every 5 minutes. And there's a minimum required volume to make a trade. If that is not there, it will skip that turn. And whenever the trade happens, I'll just show you the one example when the trade happened. uh, yeah so what happened is I started the bot at I think 38,000, and then it went to 35.5, right? So when it went to 35.5, it bought some BTC, and it when the price came back to 37282, it sold that BTC, right? So like this, it will keep on rebalancing your the Bitcoin and USDT balance, so that the net the result will be the both of you will see more of both the coins in your portfolio. You can see I started with 407 sats, and right now I have 5097 sats right now, and 191 USDC right now. I know it's in loss right now, but if you expect BTC to appreciate over the time, and you will see more balance in your portfolio, both for stable coin and Bitcoin, right? And the one part which I like about this bot is you're not only playing the uh, appreciation in Bitcoin, you're also playing the volatility. If you are just holding, like you can see this article, it's very useful. If you are just holding Bitcoin in your wallet, if it goes from 30,000 to 60,000, you will be double in value. But if you are holding Bitcoin with this bot, definitely you will have more of Bitcoin and USDT when you are at 60,000. So you are not only playing the appreciation in Bitcoin value, but also playing the volatility. right? So they have given this example. If you start if you had start Jan with $100 of BTC and Ethereum in 2020 Jan, so if you just hold these coins in your wallet for this long, which is I think 16 months. Yeah, so it's 11.54x. But if you have holded it with this rebalancing bot, you will have 14.93 times, which is, I think it is 20 to 30% more. So I think it is better to hold your coins with rebalancing bots, because we have these cycles in crypto market. So we want to play these cycles. We can play it manually also, like where we do this, right? Where whenever Bitcoin dominance go to 70s, the alts of start to perform and Bitcoin dominance goes down. Then again Bitcoin starts to gain the cash moves, all the money moves to Bitcoin and Bitcoin goes up. So you also these moments will be good for the rebalancing bot, and we will benefit from the volatility of the crypto market. So another example they have given is yeah. So the same thing, right? It, uh, so so this explains the lower the frequency of the rebalancing, the more profitable your bot will be. So currently rebalancing frequency is at 5 minutes, which is very good, I think. And yeah, so more examples we have. If you just hold Bitcoin and Ethereum, you'll have this much coins, and if you hold it in a rebalancing, you will have more of Bitcoin and Ethereum over the time. You should go through when this article once before you start the your bot. They will also launch a new another version of this bot, multi-coin rebalancing, where you can hold multiple coins in proportion. For example, if you want to hold Cardano, Polkadot, Ethereum and Bitcoin, USD, all of them in certain proportion, let's say 15, 15, 40, 30, 10, then you can hold it with this bot. Yeah, so let's say I'll make a video on that bot also when it launches. uh, I hope this video has helped you, and make sure to like this video, and remember, this is not financial advice. This is just me explaining you this bot, and this is certain only for education purpose and entertainment purpose. Thank you very much. Like this video, subscribe. Bye.